Hello and welcome guys. Welcome to this YouTube channel. Uh, as I earlier told you that we are going to start a new series using Python, that is Tkinter. As I told you that Tkinter is a GUI tool of Python. So by going ahead, let us download a software. Using that we can able to code in Python. Okay. So as I earlier told you that that I'll use either for this whole complete session, but my mind suddenly get changed and I decided to use the PyCharm. Okay, so first let us see how you can download it. So PyCharm, PyCharm download. Okay, so see, download PyCharm, Python IDE for professional developer. Okay, so JetBrains. This is the product by JetBrains. So let us open it. See guys, this PyCharm, this is your software. Okay, and this is latest version. Okay, and it is released on August 22, 2018. Okay, and yeah, see, this software is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. So depending upon your operating system in your computer, you can download it. Okay, guys. So in my laptop uh, is Windows operating system is there, so I'll download the Windows. So guys, I suggest you to download this professional version. Okay, so see there, yeah, there is two type of uh, version, that is one for your professional and other for your community. So see here, it is clearly mentioned that full feature ID for Python and web development, and that is your this version. And there is a one community version, that is the lightweight IDE for Python and the scientific development. So as might be that you will be a fresher for this series, so I suggest you to download this professional. Okay, so by clicking on this you can download it. Okay, so see, I have already downloaded it. I show you the whole step because of you, that so that you can don't get surprised that how I get this software and where I get. So that is why I show you this. If you want to download that, please you can click here and install it. Okay, so I'm going to cancel it. So moving forward, let us guys, in this video I'll show you how you can create a GUI. Okay, so by going ahead, so when you will install the software completely, okay, then you need to click on the file and you need to create the new project. By click on this, you can create the new project. Okay, so here you need to put your name of your project, and see guys, this is the location where my all the program that I'll create or make, that will be stored. Okay guys, you can change the destination also by clicking on this. Okay, so I have already created the tutorial project because I'm making the tutorial for you all, so I'm not going to create it. I already created. You need to give your name, give the project name, and you need to click on the create button. Okay guys, so now I'm going to code. So for code, first let us write, yeah, from Tkinter import dot asterisk. See guys, here your Tkinter is a package that you need to import from the Python. Okay, maybe if you know some other programming language, then might be you know about this keyword, that is import and asterisk symbol. Asterisk means I am importing or you are importing all the package of Tkinter. Okay, so moving further, let us root equals Tk. Root equals Tk, and let us close it. Dot main loop method. Okay, so see guys, here I have written only 3-line code, and see, I'm going to run it. See what is going to happen. You will get surprised. See how it is looking like, how pretty this is looking. See, with the 3-line of code, we have created this GUI. See how Python is important. This is a most or a good feature of this Python language, that by writing the less code, you will get a good and interactive output. Okay, so example is in your font. So by moving further, sir, guys, let us first understand it. So see, Tkinter is a class. Okay, and for that I have created this root object. Okay, and here I have closed this root object. Guys, this 3-line will be common in every GUI programming, that is Tkinter. Whenever you will create a GUI tool using Tkinter, then this 3-line always you need to write. So guys, keep in mind that this 3-line always you need to write. Okay, this is for your import of Tkinter, and this is your for main GUI. That let us see. I'm going to show you again. This is for your root Tk. That means this Tk. Okay, this that you have seen this. This is this. Okay, this is for this you are writing this. And see guys, let us see one thing. Now I'm going to remove it, and let us see what is going to happen. And now I'm going to run this code. See what is going to happen. See, process finished with exit code. So see what will happen. Actually, I have called this Tk class, but I have not closed it. So that is why it is not appearing on this screen. Okay, so let us go dot main loop. Okay, so now when we run this, then it will be displayed. See. Okay guys, so let us print a message on the screen. Okay, so for that, let us create a label and equal to label that your root text equals hello world. Okay guys, see guys, I have created this label, and I'm going to run it. Let's see what is going to happen. See, it had run successfully, but this text is not coming. Can you tell me guys what is the reason? Reason is that, as I earlier showed you, that if you are calling any class and if you are not closing the object of that class, then it is not going to print. So I need to close it, and for closing the L, I need to pack this. Okay, so for your main GUI, you need to call this main loop, and inside this you need to call the pack function or pack method. See, now it will be good. I think now it will be done. See, now see, hello only printing on your screen. See guys, how pretty it is looking. Okay guys, so guys, you might be yeah, it's a big. See guys, actually I want to tell you one more thing. See guys, this is looking quite small. Okay, so suppose if you want to fix the size, that should be displayed whenever you run this code. So for that, let us write some code so that this side will be get fixed. Okay, so root dot geometry method. Okay guys, this is the method that you need to use in case of fixing the size of the window that is appearing. 300 x into 300. Okay guys, so now let us see what is going to happen. So now see how pretty it is looking. See guys, in Python everything is already defined. Only you need to remember about the class's name. You need to create the object of that class and you can get the good output. You can design a good software. So guys, please you need to watch this complete series. Finally, at the last, whenever I completed the discussion all the basic thing, then I'll create a project in which I'll include all the topic, and using that I'll create an application. Okay guys, so that you can able to know that how we can use this tool in real environment and how you can develop in developer software. Okay, so see you in the next video guys.